everyone, this is Carlos again. In this video, I will show you our production process of LED strip light. Attach a production flow chart to give you a general idea of the process. Okay, let's go to the site now. We are a dust-free and static-free factory, so before entering the production line, we should wear the anti-static clothing and through the automatic voice air shower. Here we would like to show you the production processing of our PU Wallwasher. After SMT, PCB welding and testing of non-waterproof LED strip, it sticks on the TPU tube and cover the LED lamp with lens and start dropping PU. When the PU is dry enough, we test and clean the laser cutting code. Then did the 3M tape, testing again and packing finally. Okay, so much for production processing of our PU Wallwasher. Let's go for next step. See you.